Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the day. We have the Galaxy Watch 4 and 4 Classic here with me, and I have to say I am super excited. But a couple of things before we start. Today I'm going to show you what comes pre-installed, basically in terms of application. Afterwards, I am going to show you what additional applications you will have available via the Google Play Store. And one more note before we start. This is a retail unit. Everything you see today is basically retail units. Why is this important? It is because what you see is what you get. I have chosen the Galaxy Watch 4 44mm, the regular version, a non-classic version. Why have I done this? Because it feels really sleek. And I didn't think I would say this. Spoiler alert, it feels sleek, sporty, and not as chunky as the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic version. Don't know why, but I'm sticking with this for today because I'm digging it. So look, for all the accuracy tests, for heart rate and battery life and everything else, I will give it a fair trial. I will do this in a separate review because I don't want to just put it on, go wash dishes and run around the block and say, ooh, it's not accurate, or vice versa, whatever. So this is coming later. So, disclaimer done. Check. So the first thing you will notice is a small redesign of your Samsung wearable app when you download it or when you update it with your Galaxy Watch 4 or 4 Classic. And it's basically done just so you can rearrange and customize tiles and applications, and I will show you this right now. A whole bunch of new watch faces are available. You can see them right here, and this is my favorite. You can see here, of course, complications are all customizable to your liking, and I have the most important shortcuts visible, and that's why I've chosen this one, this particular complication, and of course it is also colorful. In terms of tiles, meaning the applications that pop up when you swipe to the left, you can fully customize and rearrange that also, but I will mention a few here right now. You have your daily overview, ECG, blood pressure. Yes, all works fine. I have calibrated that with my blood pressure tool, whatever you want to call that. Blood oxygen is there. Heartbeat, of course. Body composition. Yes, I am slightly overweight, so thank you, Samsung. Your workouts, Galaxy Buds control I have put in here. Sleep, health summary. Women's health is there, stress level, contacts and calendar, and you do have some more available when you go into your wearable app on your phone, but you can only have 15 at any one time on your watch. Okay, so let's move on to the pre-installed applications. I'm going to put them on the screen here so you can see them, and you can basically pause and then have a good look and see what comes with your watch when you buy one today. What you see is what you get. Okay, so now let's go to the Google Play Store and let's see what it tells us. The first option you can see is basically it will automatically look for your compatible applications you already have on your phone. So let's do this and see what it has detected for me. Okay, we have Google Pay, Facer, SmartThings, and Spotify. These are the applications I can download because they have been verified by my watch and Google/Samsung to be compatible with my Galaxy Watch 4. Next option is featured apps for Wear OS. So here Spotify comes up again, period tracker, and a couple of health and workout applications. Okay, so let's go back and look at the essentials. Google Maps is one of the main applications, obviously, many people are looking forward to. Google Fit, yeah, also available. So you do have a choice between Samsung Health and Google Fit. I am using Samsung Health, but if you have been using Google Fit, maybe then that's good. But what about audio, right? What about audio streaming? What about music whilst exercising? And here it is getting a bit thin for my liking. I have to say, I'm not really feeling it. Missing, of course, is YouTube Music. And that's one of the main features I, and many of you guys probably was also looking forward to. So, but hang on. Release date is next week on Friday, I believe Friday. Yes, next week Friday. So I think we should wait and see. If it doesn't pop up by then, we're gonna have to contact Google and or Samsung and see what is going on. In case you are into games and or watch faces, well, voila. This is what you get in the Google Play Store for your Galaxy Watch 4. And the next one is also really important, and that is many people ask questions about Nike Run Club and Strava and what have you. So look at the track your workout option, and then you can see here we have Strava, Nike Run Club, yes it is there, Adidas Running, Calm, and of course some others. And last but not least, productivity apps. So you can also search, right? You can search, and I was doing this for Facebook Messenger and YouTube Music just to make sure. I guess YouTube Music would have been advertised, but Facebook Messenger and all other things, I used the voice command. It worked actually really well. I had no issues. I'm a non-native English speaker and it understood me, the voice input from Samsung, Bixby, whatever you want to call it, whatever it is. But the applications weren't there. So in terms of available applications, there are more available than before, but I want to see more. I don't know. I have this feeling there will be more coming out. There has to be more coming out because it is a superb collaboration. But let's have a look at Google Maps, Google Pay, and Spotify and see how it all works. Okay, so for Google Maps, let's navigate to Munich Airport, and I'm putting it in via the watch. It is the Bluetooth version, which means it will need your phone. It will not work without your phone. It will need your phone. It will redirect you to your phone in order to get going, in order to be able to navigate. So as for voice commands telling you, the watch telling you where to go, non-existent. It is only vibration there. But we will check the LTE watch. We will see if it's available on the LTE watch because that's a standalone watch. So I will check that and let you guys also know. So many questions about Google Pay. Yes, Google Pay is available. I successfully managed to add my Google Pay account and or card to the watch. It worked. And then the next question you guys have, obviously, how do I use it? How do I work? Because the bottom button, and well, you know what I mean, the bottom button is assigned to Samsung Pay and will also stay assigned to Samsung Pay. But what I did in the settings, I assigned Google Pay to the top button. By double clicking, it works. So double clicking, it works, and then you will have Google Pay available, and the bottom button will be Samsung Pay, but you have to have a PIN now installed in order for security reasons and what have you. But so it is all here. So you have two payment methods available and you can choose which button you want to press. Last but not least is Spotify. Yes, and I downloaded that, and you can obviously very easily download your playlist to your watch. That is all possible, and then you have your offline mode and your offline playlist available. And here the same for the LTE version. I want to see what it is like when you go out and about without your phone, right? Just the watch. I want to see what the streaming quality is like, what it is you can and can't do. Stay tuned. LTE is on its way. Okay guys, that's it. But please leave a like before you go. Leave a comment, maybe for the ultimate experience for all the other reviews that are coming up. Subscribe to the channel. It is super important. We need the support from you guys out there. Until next time, thank you for watching. I miss you. Peace out.